Question tags. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Today we are discussing about question tags. Sentence question tags. First one, he could play very confidently. Question tag is couldn't he. Second one, you cannot help others. Question tag is can he. Third one, she is Neelu. Question tag is isn't she. Lata is not reading. Is she. Raju works hard. Doesn't he? He have closed the door. Haven't he? We. We shall take dinner. Shan't we? He will tell us truth. Won't he? Let's start now. Shall we? The student worked hard. Didn't they? They were writing examination. Weren't they? She had completed her work. Hadn't she? Everything is possible by faith. Isn't she? Sorry, isn't it? Somebody is sick here. Aren't they? They don't eat sweet, do they? I am a teacher. Aren't I? Give me your notebook. Will you? Will you please give me your notebook? Close the door. Will you close the door? May I have your book, please? May I? Keep quiet. Will you keep quiet? Will you? None of the clothes were washed. Were they? Morality is found nowhere these days. Is it? Is it morality is found nowhere these days? We saw none in the room. Did we? A pretty loss like that is nothing. Is it? Let's go for a walk. Shall we? Pass me the notice. Will you? Will you pass me the notice? Have another glass of juice, will you? Let me have a book, will you? Thank you for watching, guys. Please like, share, and subscribe my channel. Please support our channel for more English grammar videos and other concepts videos. Thank you for watching.